Did you know that Hanwha are the third largest producer globally of sliding head machines, all made from start to finish in South Korea? Eric has a fantastic deal on this machine that we're going to find out more on. But Eric, why is Hanwha so successful in the industry?
I think they've built up a really good reputation, particularly in Europe and the USA. The machines are very strong. Generally, they're about 20% heavier than most of the competition. The power of the spindles and the axis drives is normally much higher than most of our competitors.
So when you've taken customers out, where have you taken them to, and what have the successes been to see these machines?
Well, we've been to the factory, of course, and seen the machines where they're built on a production line. Most people are incredibly impressed with the quality control, the accuracy that the Koreans are expecting out of the machines.
And why is it such a solid machine?
It's based on the very heavy casting, really, as the core of the machine, and they've gone to a great deal of trouble to make sure that it's very rigid and incredibly stable.
And what does that benefit for the customer ultimately?
Well, it benefits in terms of obviously being able to push the machine quite hard to get better cycle times and obviously stability for accuracy.
And are they fast and powerful?
Yeah, incredibly so, yeah. I mean, the customers that have got them are delighted with the performance.
So this is the X35 model that is available now from stock. It's here.
Yeah.
35, that's quite unusual, isn't it?
It's slightly bigger than most of our competitors. They tend to limit to about 32, but we've actually had the machine built as a 35 machine. It's not a stretch 32. So Hanwha, again, typical of their ethos is that they try and make the machine bespoke and a really heavy construction.
And so the specification of this model that's readily available, will come to price in just a few moments' time. Just go through it. Does it come with the bar feed as well?
Yeah, no, it's complete sub-spindle, sliding head guide bush, swarf system, multi-feed, hydrostatic bar feed is all included, so it's ready to go.
FANUC software?
Yeah, I mean FANUC control, dual channel software on the control.
So what price point are we looking at for everything that we've included here?
Complete package is £90,000, everything we've discussed and you see here, it's ready to go, full warranty, everything, £90,000.
Yeah, immediate delivery as well. Wow, what a price, and for such a solid machine. So make sure you're contacting Eric here and the team at Dugard.